Yo guys, we're excited to check out the Xgody Gimbal 5 projector. Xgody has been around for a decade, aiming to deliver a high quality tech at a budget prices. Will this projector live up to the promise? Let's find out. As per usual guys, we'll check out its physical overview, test its features and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? The projector itself, obviously. Next is the remote. Take note, batteries are not included. You'll be needing 2 times AAA batteries for this one. Next one is the right angle power cable, HDMI cable around 3 feet, and the manual. Now let's check its physical overview. So the build is primarily made of black plastic, which unfortunately attracts fingerprints easily, a particular texture that I'm not really a fan of. It also includes several ventilation areas for air intake and exhaust located at the back. In front, you'll find the projector lens surrounded by a manual focus adjustment. The sides features a unique texture engravings with additional projector information located over here. At the top, there's not much to see besides the Xgody logo. At the back, you'll find the available ports and buttons. So this is the power button, a USB-A port for connecting a keyboard or USB drive with movie files in it, a 3.5mm jack input for your headphones or external speakers, an HDMI input, and a power cable input. Notably, there is no power brick, which I personally prefer. It comes with its own stand, allowing you to adjust it to a 180 angle for projecting in any direction you prefer. You can watch while sitting down or laying down on your bed, projecting the image onto your ceiling. Underneath, it features a large rubber feet to keep the projector stable and in place. But unfortunately, there is no option for camera mounting. Therefore, you cannot mount this on a tripod, though I don't think it needs one. Before we move on to the features, let me show you the remote buttons. You can pause the video if you want to review the functions on your screen. I guess that's all for its physical overview. Now let's check out its features. First up, it offers a native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding. It is equipped with Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connectivity. The auto vertical keystone feature automatically adjusts the image for a perfect aligned projection, though you can manually adjust it if you are not satisfied with its alignment. You can enjoy a massive 150-inch screen for truly immersive experience. With 10,000 lumens, this projector delivers bright and vibrant images. And it has 10,000:1 contrast ratio, means deep blacks and brilliant whites for more detailed and dynamic visuals. It also has its own built-in speakers and also supports Bluetooth 5.0, making it easy to connect your favorite wireless speakers or headphones. And with Android 11.0, you'll get a smooth and responsive operating system with access to all your favorite apps. So let's check out the on-screen display and controls, shall we? So this is the on-screen display and controls. You'll see Netflix and YouTube already included in the quick start section. If you want to add more apps, simply select add and choose the ones that you want to include in the quick start menu. We also have the App Store here, though the selection of apps is quite limited. However, you can always log into your Google account to access a wider range of apps through the Google Play Store. And here are the installed apps, where you can run it or uninstall it by long pressing the OK button on the remote. Let's move on to the Files section. Here you can navigate through the files on your USB drive or explore the projector's internal storage if you want. And lastly, the HDMI. As you'd expect, this enables the projector to work with your PC or laptop. Now let's check out the settings. Here you can set all settings accordingly. So let's start with the network settings first. In here, you can connect to Wi-Fi or create a hotspot, which is awesome. In the Bluetooth settings, here you can connect to any Bluetooth speakers or turn it off if you are not using it. Just keep in mind that there is a slight sound delay, typically around 0.3 to 0.4 seconds. Language setting is self-explanatory, but let's check it real quick if your language is available in it. Other settings are for application details and resetting the entire projector settings to default. Projection setting is where we can set the screen zoom, projection mode, and keystone correction. We can also set the keystone correction to auto or manual. Audio, date and time settings are also self-explanatory, so we're not going to delve much into it. And as for the About device, this is where we can get the details of the projector and upgrade the OS locally via USB or online. I guess that's all for its software, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test the projector by playing games on PC, VR, and mobile. We're also going to be checking the video quality while watching a movie sample and using screen mirroring for Google Slide presentation and more. So, let's go! Now let's wrap it up by discussing what I love about this projector as well as the areas that needs improvement. Let's start with the things that needs improvement. Number 1, the plastic material. The projector is made from a plastic that feels cheap, similar to the material used for toys. Additionally, the fingerprint-prone texture is quite frustrating. Number 2, the built-in speaker. The sound quality is terrible, resembling to the effect of placing a speaker inside a tin can. Well, you can listen to this for reference. I strongly recommend using external speakers or headphones instead. Number 3, the Wi-Fi 6 performance. While Wi-Fi 6 connection works very well with Android devices, it's less effective in iOS, causing about 0.8 second delay in games. This may be due to the app being still in the experimental stage, so we hope for an update to improve performance for iPhone users soon. Lastly, fan noise. The fans are annoyingly loud. You don't believe me? Just listen to this one. So guys, this is the sound of the microphone, and this is how loud the fan noise of this projector. Listen to this. Now let's talk about the things that I love about this projector. First off, the projector comes with a 180-degree mount. I'm talking about this one. So this means that you can adjust it to project in almost any direction, giving you incredible flexibility in your setup. I actually love the ceiling projection, perfect for relaxing on your bed while watching movies. Next, the brightness is impressive. The Full HD resolution looks fantastic even in a well-lit environment. Highlights are clear and the dark areas stay true to their depth without affecting the overall visuals. Another is no more power brick. Gone are the days of dealing with an external power brick. This projector has a built-in power supply, making it more convenient and reducing clutter. This will actually make the projector easier to carry to any location. Also, it's a compact design. Means it doesn't take up much space, making it easy to fit to any setup without compromising on performance. The fast reaction on-screen display and controls are also appreciated. They are super responsive with no lag at all. You'll get instant feedback, which is perfect for a smooth user experience. The auto keystone correction feature ensures that your image is perfectly aligned no matter how you position the projector, though there might be some time that you need to adjust it manually. Also, this projector is a short throw model, meaning you can get big screen even in a limited space, ideal for smaller rooms or tight setups. Last but definitely not the least, this projector is budget friendly. You get great features and performance without breaking the bank. So if you'll ask me if I'll recommend this, well, that is still a yes, especially if you're on a budget and looking for a projector with all of these features. If you want to get one today, make sure you check out the links in the description below and get a 10% discount using the code on your screen. If you think this is not for you, then check out the other projector reviews we have on your screen as well. So once again guys, this is Mac. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.